Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, in today's video, we're going to show you how to earn more money on MyPoints in 2025 using simple and legal methods that actually work. If you're looking to boost your rewards and maximize every point you collect, stay tuned. First off, the easiest and most consistent way to earn is by shopping through MyPoints partner stores. Before you make any online purchase, go to MyPoints, find the retailer you want, and click through their link. You'll earn points for every dollar you spend. It adds up fast, especially with big retailers like Walmart, Amazon, and Target offering up to 10 points per dollar during promos. Next, take full advantage of daily surveys. MyPoints offers paid surveys that can earn you anywhere from 50 to over 500 points, depending on the length. Even if you don't qualify, many of them still reward you with a few points just for trying. Make it a habit to check in each day and complete as many as you can. Another reliable method is watching videos. Head to the Watch section and play video playlists throughout the day. You won't get rich, but it's passive and consistent. Let them run in the background while you work or study. Also, don't miss out on using the MyPoints search engine. Every time you search using their tool instead of Google, you have a chance to earn random points. It's a low-effort way to get rewarded for something you're already doing. Referrals are a big one. Invite your friends and family to sign up using your referral link. You'll get bonus points once they complete qualifying activities, and they'll often get a welcome bonus too. It's a win-win. And if you're shopping in person, don't forget about MyPoints in-store offers. Link your credit or debit card to your account, activate offers, and earn points automatically when you make a purchase at participating stores. It's one of the easiest set-it-and-forget-it options. Finally, always check the deals section on the MyPoints homepage. They run time-limited point bonuses for things like signing up for services, installing apps, or completing free trials. These offers often give out hundreds or even thousands of points in one go. So those are the best ways to earn more money on MyPoints in 2025. Use them consistently, stack your activities, and cash out those points for gift cards, PayPal money, or travel deals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've got any MyPoints hacks of your own.